is a mile out, a mile out. Oh my gosh.
Oh, this is so exciting, guys. After 9 months of anticipation, it is finally time for us to hit the road and head to our property in Oregon for the first time. All right, here we are in the U-Haul. We are heading out. Jason's just in front of me, and there he goes. Let's hit the road. Bye, Antelope Island. We did pretty good this morning. We were up out of bed by 6 o'clock, and we are on the road now. So because we're getting such an early start, we're hoping we can do the whole drive today, but it is almost 700 miles, so we will see. Stay tuned to find out.
We're driving through Mountain Home, Idaho right now, and I've got PTSD, gotta be honest. We stayed nearby here for 2 or 3 weeks? No, 3 or 4 weeks. I don't remember now. Last fall at Jack's Creek. If you have not seen that video yet, watch it. The RV got shot at, and that was terrifying.
It's cold hot dogs in the truck on a stop. We're on the Oregon-Idaho border, almost to Oregon. Yummy.
It's 6:30, so we've been on the road for about 11 hours right now, and it's gone pretty good. It's been a pretty easy day of driving. 30 minutes to count down until we are at our property, and we are very excited. Well, I'm excited. I don't know about Jason because he's not in that vehicle with me. So, anyways, can't wait. I just realized it's 6:30, which means it's 7:30 Mountain Time. So, just kidding. We've been on the road for 12 hours, not 11 hours. 12 hours I'm happy with. 700 miles. That is a accomplishment for us. That is way more than we prefer to drive on a day. So, when you gotta get somewhere, you gotta get somewhere, right?
Look at that, opening our gate. This is so cool. Oh, this is so exciting, guys. Go to the driver's side. Yep, good. Cleared it. Straighten out. Good. Okay, you can crank it. All right, we're getting parked for the first time at our property. We like to write each other notes, and this is a perfect one. We're home. Home day. Look at that. That's our property out those windows. Oh, yes. So awesome. So we are celebrating arriving at our property. And this is the first time that we've really ever been here. And yeah, so we are celebrating. Okay, so our shed is getting delivered tomorrow, which is super exciting. But we need to get some cinder blocks in order to put it on. So we are here at Home Depot. We got to make sure that we have room in our truck for the pallet. So taking the hitch out. There we go. It is the morning of our shed being delivered, so we are getting everything moved around so we have the place for the shed to be open. Okay, so this is where the shed is gonna go, is right here. He's here. The U-Haul is in the way a little bit, so we're moving the U-Haul. Look at it, there it is. Look at that beauty, guys, huh? It looks so good. It's just moving sideways. I see that. That's so cool. Boy, that makes it easy. Can we get that on the fifth wheel? Look at that pretty shed, y'all. It's a little house. Oh, it looks so good, baby. You happy?
Yeah, I was worried. That's a good color combo.
It's
too.
great looking. It looks really good. Oh my God, look at that thing. It's crazy how they're able to control these. That is nuts. That is nuts. Look at that. What a nice guy you are, baby. Yeah. What you got there?
Keys to the house.
It's time to go inside. Oh my gosh, this is so exciting. Oh no, some scuffs. I'm gonna wash the windows. Yeah. No, go ahead. Go ahead, baby. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, it's so awesome. Wow. Wow, it smells so new in here. Oh my goodness. I love it. What do you think?
I think it's fantastic.
Okay, so it is time now for us to start unloading the U-Haul. So we're a little bit nervous about opening it up because, well, let's just say we didn't pack things as if movers had loaded it. So let's find out if anything broke. All right, look, I think we're about mostly set up. Where are you going, baby? Oh, look at it. Ah! Are you happy with it?
Yes.
You are?
It was more than what we thought it would be.
Oh, it looks lovely.
What do you think of the new shed, huh? What do you think, Littlefoot?